Well, good afternoon and welcome. Thank you for joining us. We're here today to raise awareness about a critical case that the Supreme Court has decided to take up. 303 Creative LLC versus Elenis. This case involves a business, a website design company, owned by Lorie Smith, who is here with us today. Lorie has a diverse set of clients, and she provides services to people of all different faiths, beliefs, and backgrounds. Lorie would like to expand her business to include services for weddings. Lorie's a Christian, and as such, she will only create websites for opposite-sex weddings. In other words, Lorie wants to exercise her First Amendment rights to freedom of expression in accordance with her own conscience. And in Colorado right now, she can't. Colorado wants to compel the speech of Christian artists and business owners who decline to use their God-given talents to celebrate events that run contrary to what their faith teaches. The Colorado law restricts the fundamental First Amendment rights of Lorie and other business owners like her. And it doesn't just target Christians only. Consider it this way. Should a Muslim artist be compelled by the government to draw the image of Muhammad? Should Jewish artists be forced to create art that they consider to be anti-Semitic? Should a Democrat political firm be forced to take on Republican clients? Should left-wing newspaper columnists be forced to write conservative columns?
Yes.
No, 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 and as fun as it might be, no. The First Amendment is an incredible blessing.
Amen.
Which protects the rights of everyone to speak your mind. And the First Amendment isn't just about popular speech. The First Amendment is about unpopular speech as well. That's what it was created for. You don't need the First Amendment if nobody is offended at what you're saying, if nobody is unhappy with what you're saying. The First Amendment protection doesn't do anything then. It's only when someone says, I'm offended, I don't like that, I want to silence you, that's when you need the First Amendment. When those who are seeking to use government power to muzzle you, to silence opinions they don't like or that frighten them or that challenge their own belief sets. And the First Amendment by its terms binds government. It doesn't bind private individuals. The law in Colorado, on the other hand, binds the individual, and it's unconstitutional. That's why my colleagues and I have submitted an amicus brief to the court laying out a vigorous defense of our right to free speech. I'm hopeful we'll see a victory in this case, which would be a victory for free speech and for religious liberty of all Americans.